Join me as I take on the challenge of finding out if humans can really survive on Mars. I'll be testing theories and pushing the limits of what we know. Human exploration of Mars has been a topic of discussion for decades, and with ongoing missions like NASA's Perseverance rover and the European Space Agency's ExoMars rover, it's clear that we're one step closer to making humanity a multiplanetary species. But have you ever wondered what it would take for humans to actually survive on the red planet? Radiation is one of the biggest challenges we'd face on Mars. The planet's atmosphere is so thin that it offers little protection against harmful solar and cosmic rays, which could cause serious health problems for anyone living on the surface. Another issue is the extreme temperatures, with daytime temperatures soaring up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and dropping to -200 degrees Fahrenheit at night. And let's not forget the lack of breathable air. The Martian atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, which is toxic to humans. The Martian surface is also home to massive dust storms that can last for weeks or even months, which would make it difficult to maintain a reliable source of energy and communication. Not to mention the psychological effects of being isolated on a hostile planet for extended periods of time, which could take a toll on the mental health of astronauts. On top of all these challenges, there's also the issue of gravity, or rather, the lack of it. Mars is only about 1/3 of the Earth's gravity, which could lead to muscle and bone loss over time. This would make it difficult for astronauts to adapt to the Martian environment, and even more challenging to return to Earth's gravity after a long stay on the red planet. Scientists and engineers are working on several solutions to overcome these challenges. One of the most promising ideas is terraforming, literally, making Mars more Earth-like by altering its atmosphere and climate. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases to warm up the planet, or creating a magnetic field to protect against radiation. Another approach is to build habitats that can simulate a safe and comfortable environment for humans, using materials like inflatable modules or underground bunkers. Advances in technology are also crucial to supporting human life on Mars. NASA's Space Launch System, for example, is being designed to take humans to the red planet in the 2030s. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also working on reusable rockets that could significantly reduce the cost of sending humans to Mars. And with the development of new techniques like in situ resource utilization, which allows astronauts to use Martian resources to produce fuel and oxygen, the possibility of human settlements on Mars seems more and more feasible. One of the most promising projects that could make human life on Mars a reality is NASA's Artemis program. This ambitious plan aims to return humans to the lunar surface by 2024 and establish a sustainable presence on the Moon. The ultimate goal is to use the Moon as a stepping stone for a manned mission to Mars in the 2030s. With the help of private companies and international partners, NASA is working on developing the necessary technologies and infrastructure to support human exploration of the red planet. In recent years, there have been several breakthroughs in the Artemis program, including the successful test of the Space Launch System's core stage and the development of new spacesuits designed specifically for the Martian environment. These advancements bring us one step closer to making human settlements on Mars a reality. So, while the challenges of surviving on Mars are undeniably daunting, it's clear that with continued research and innovation, human exploration and even colonization of the red planet are not impossible. In fact, they're becoming increasingly likely. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the possibilities of human survival on Mars. If you've got thoughts on Mars colonization, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about space exploration, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.